Hello everyone, this is Virendra Jagdale, and today I am planning to show you the demo of machine learning assignment project 4A shopping. This is part of Harvard course Introduction to Artificial Intelligence using Python. In this project we are trying to predict whether the user intends to make purchase or not using the online shopping website user data. We are using nearest neighbor classifier to solve this problem. So first we are loading the data from CSV file and processing the data using pandas. I am printing the details to check whether the processed data fulfills the requirement. So first I am running the code with the printing the results. So here we see that the initial requirement was these 9 columns should be integer, so we are making sure that these are integer. These 7 columns administrative exit rates and those things are floats, so we are making sure those are floats. And also month values, we wanted months starting from 0 as January till 11 as December. So these values are also there, and if you see we are missing the January and April data. And visitor type should be 1 or 0. Weekend it should be 1 or 0. And label values, if it is successful then 1, and 0 if it is not successful or user didn't purchase anything. Also we are checking the whatever requirement is there that the data should be in this format. So I am just making sure that the first row comparing with the expected result and it is matching. So we are fulfilling all the basic requirements. So and when we are running this program, then if you see the true positive rate is 39.04 and true negative rate is 90.82. So let's do one thing. Without this printing we can try to run this program again. So I am trying one more time. So here we are getting the true positive rate as 37.43 and negative rate as 90.84. So I am again trying one more time. So here it is showing it is 38 and 91, and fourth time. Yes, so here it is showing that 40.37 as a true positive rate and 91.12 as a true negative rate. So basically this was the requirement, and based on the nearest neighbor we are able to solve this problem. Means we are able to predict user behavior till some extent. We are using small data, so it might not be perfect, but as the data increases it might be more accurate. Thank you.